DJ AFK here. Today we will do a tutorial on how to remove the ear tips off of the AirPod Pro. This is the AirPod Pro's first version that came out late 2019, early 2020. Every text tutorial and video tutorial that I have seen says the absolute wrong way to do it. In some fashion, they are pulling on the silicone. That is not the way to do it. I found a super easy way. And if you don't have this, which you may, it's only about $5 or so, probably local. Go ahead and grab it. Let's get into it. The secret to removing these ear tips involves in this little device here. This is just your standard multi-screw bit. It's got flatheads, Phillips, and Torx in there. It's about $5 at Lowe's. I'm sure your big box store locally has something similar. We are going to grab a 5/64 flathead bit out of here. I found this to fit the cleanest without touching the silicone on either side. So what we will do, go ahead and pull one out. And for clarity, we will fold down the silicone just so we can see what we're doing. Now there are little notches on this side and on this side. We're just going to set the screwdriver right in there. And we will give that just a little bit of a twist and angle, and it'll pop loose on one side. And for the remaining side, you do want to kind of do the pinch and roll and just kind of wiggle it out. They are extremely fragile. Don't pull on the silicone. Every other video that I watched and every other text that I read said to grab it by the sides here at the base and to just pull really hard. Well, if you have fingers that are normal size, they're substantially larger than that base. So what ends up happening is you dig your fingernails onto the sides and end up tearing the silicone that way. That's not good. We don't need to buy extra replacement parts for our earpieces if we don't need to. So let's go ahead, reattach that. We're done. That's it. The correct way to remove the ear tips for the AirPod Pro.